What's up guys, Miles here with 9to5Mac. Today we're going to be checking out an awesome storage solution from LaCie. This is their 8TB rugged RAID shuttle drive. If you recently lost some files or need to recover some data you deleted on your iPhone, then look no further. Dr. Phone from Wondershare is a tool built to be the ultimate data recovery system for the iPhone. Use the recover feature to find deleted messages, photos, contacts, and notes on your iPhone with just the click of a button. And also within their super clean interface, there's built-in tools to transfer data, do backups and restores, and remove your iPhone's lock screen. All of these features and more are available within Dr. Phone, which is available for macOS and Windows. So make sure to grab it fast because Wondershare is running multiple holiday specials. Thanks to Wondershare for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube. So as far as what comes in the box with this storage solution, you're getting a power supply, USB-C to C cable, and a USB-C to A cable. The rugged shuttle drive comes with 8TB of storage from two separate 4TB hard drives, and these drives can be set up in either RAID 0 or RAID 1. RAID 0 is going to be the way to go for those who are looking for maximum storage and maximum performance, as RAID 0 stripes both 4TB hard drives as one and gets you 8TB of usable storage, and because of that RAID configuration, you should be able to get up to about 250 megabytes per second read and write. RAID 1 is going to be the way to go for those who are prioritizing data redundancy over everything else, as the RAID 1 configuration only gives you 4TB of usable storage, but mirrors everything on that drive to the other 4TB drive, so if anything happens to your data, you should have no problem recovering it. As far as the I/O is concerned, you've got a port for your power supply and then a USB-C port that supports USB 3.0 speeds up to 250 megabytes per second, like I mentioned earlier. Technically, you can hook this drive up to a Thunderbolt port on your computer or a docking station, but you're not going to be getting any extra speed that way. These are still traditional hard drives, so you're going to be getting those expected hard drive speeds. The shuttle drive has an accompanying software for managing the RAID configuration and disk space on the drive. It's just called the LaCie Toolkit, and it's software you can easily download and install on your Mac or Windows machine. You're going to need this software for setting up the RAID configuration on your drive. The Toolkit app is only accessible via the taskbar after installation and works really well for managing the drive. It'll give you the RAID status, letting you know if there are any potential problems, and shows you how much room you've got left on the drive. Within the software, you've got the functionality to mirror certain folders from your Mac to the shuttle drive, so when selected, it'll automatically create a mirror folder shortcut in the Finder, and you can drop any sort of files here to go directly onto the shuttle drive, which is super convenient. Also found within the toolkit is Seagate Secure, which is software designed to keep your data safe with a self-encrypting password system. All you have to do is install the proper drivers, set your password, and now anyone who wants to access the drive has to enter a password first. When running some disk tests on the shuttle drive, the speeds were as advertised. I'm getting well over 200 megabytes per second read and write consistently, which is good to see. Physically speaking, the drive is tough. It definitely isn't called a rugged drive for nothing. The shuttle drive has a maximum 4-foot drop distance rating and also is water and dust resistant, so I know that if I'm ever in a harsh environment with gear, I should be able to keep my data intact. This drive is not a light expense by any means, but I'd say it's definitely worth it for those who want a lot of storage with the flexibility of being able to get high-speed performance or complete data redundancy. So it'll definitely be staying on my desk for the time being, and there will be links down in the description below so you can check this drive out if you're interested. But that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to see future content like this. We've got a bunch of Mac Pro content coming. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Special thanks to Wondershare for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube. If you've been looking for data management software for your iPhone, check out Wondershare's Dr. Phone. Within their software, you can recover lost files, complete data transfers, remove your iPhone's lock screen, and do backups and restores. Check it out down below in the description. Again, thanks to Wondershare for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube.